Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm super excited to show you something really important, a homemade earthquake detector. This is not just a cool project, it's potentially life-saving, and I built it myself. Designed to detect ground vibrations using sensor. It calculates the magnitude of movement and displays real-time readings like temperature, humidity, and vibration level on an LCD screen. When the device starts, it calibrates itself for 30 seconds to understand what no movement looks like. After that, it keeps watching for any unusual movement. If it senses a vibration below zero point 0.5, you're in the safe zone. Between zero point 0.5 and 3.0, it gives a heartbeat-style alert and warns you that an earthquake might be happening. Above 3.0, it tells you to stay safe or find a safest place and sets off a continuous alarm to get your attention. And here's the cool part. The buzzer can be stopped by pressing a button, and the display keeps you updated with the latest vibration level, temperature, and humidity, all in real time. It even stores the maximum earthquake magnitude in memory, so that when power goes out or the device restarts, it still remembers the strongest quake it detected. This can help you analyze patterns or just keep track of events after the fact. Basic early warning system at home, school, or workplace can make a difference. This project is potentially life-saving, plus it's affordable. It also stores the highest earthquake magnitude detected, even after restarting. And based on how strong the quake is, it gives you a visual warning and a buzzer alarm so you know whether to stay alert or immediately evacuate. If you like this project, hit that like button, subscribe for more cool devices. Stay safe, and I'll see you in the next one. This is RD Robot Lab, and this was my custom earthquake detection system.